Hi, my name is Jay from Sherway Nissan, and what I'm going to be doing is reinstalling a car seat I did before for a previous customer who brought their CRV in for a baby seat install. They've now decided that they want to detail the car, so it was a perfect opportunity to take the seat out, and now we're going to turn it around. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure that the rear back seat is actually reclined as much as possible. And this is a prego edition of a car seat, and what we're going to do is make sure that both UASs are clipped in, and we have to actually tighten both sides independently. So the way we're going to do that is I put the front seat all the way forward, and that will give me enough room to get in there. But I also have to climb in and put my back against the door pillar and push down with my knee, and I'm really going to drive that seat in as much as possible. So when I'm pulling up, I'm actually using my knuckle to kind of get the seat belt up as much as possible. So I'm not pulling in this angle, or pulling up like this. I'm actually getting my hand as close to that buckle as possible, and I'm using my knuckle just to shimmy it up a millimeter at a time. And then I'm going to do the same on this side as well. So after that's nice and snug, what we have to do is take the rear seat, and I'm going to actually just pull the seat up as much as I can and lock it into place. So as you're going to see, that's nice and snug. So if you have any more questions about proper car seat safety or installation questions, please hit me up at the link below, and I'd be happy to answer any of your questions. JU at Sherway Nissan, where your way is the sure way.